Did you know that most Allianz outpatient plans offer comprehensive coverage for both your eye and hearing care needs? Let's explore these valuable benefits that help you maintain your sensory health. For your eye care, we can get you covered with one routine eye examination per insurance year with a qualified optometrist or ophthalmologist, coverage for prescribed glasses, benefits for contact lenses when you prefer them over glasses. Some plans offer support for vision correction needs to help you maintain your daily activities. But that's not all. Your hearing care benefits may include coverage for electronic hearing aids when prescribed by your doctor, support for speaking aids, such as an electronic larynx. If included in your plan, these devices are covered under your prescribed medical aids benefit, which helps ensure you can participate fully in daily life. Here's how easy it is to use these benefits. For eye care, schedule your annual eye exam with an approved provider. Get your prescription for glasses or contact lenses. Keep all your receipts and documentation. Submit your claim through the My Health app or portal. For hearing aids, get a referral from your doctor showing medical necessity. Choose your prescribed hearing device. Save all related invoices. Submit your claim through the My Health app or portal. Remember to check your table of benefits for your specific coverage limits and any requirements for pre-authorization. Your safety and well-being are our priorities, and Allianz is here to support you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.